If you're serious about squeezing the most value of sportsbook promos, you need the right tools. That's where OddsJam Low-Hold and match betting features come in. Most sportsbooks throw out free bets, deposit bonuses, or risk-free promos to get you playing. The problem is, most bettors use them wrong and end up wasting that free money. OddsJam helps you turn those offers into actual profit. The low-hold tool shows you betting opportunities where the difference between odds is very small. This means you can use your free bet or bonus with minimal risk and still walk away with real, withdrawable cash. Then there's match betting, where you place bets on both sides of a game using promos or regular stakes. OddsJam scans sportsbooks in real time to find the best matchups so you can cover every outcome and lock in guaranteed value. When you combine these tools with OddsJam's bet tracker and alerts, you stay organized and never miss a chance to convert promos into profit. This isn't about gambling harder. It's about being smarter with the offers sportsbooks already give you. If you want to see how low-hold and match betting can boost your returns, try OddsJam's 7-day free trial through the link in my description and start turning bonuses into real money today.